The art of pairing outfits with diamond jewelry, earrings, necklaces, rings, and bracelets with trendy women's fashion. Pairing outfits with jewelry, particularly diamond pieces, is a captivating aspect of fashion that can elevate your style to new levels of sophistication and allure. Diamonds, synonymous with luxury and brilliance, when thoughtfully matched with trending women's clothing, not only enhance visual elegance but also reflect your confidence and unique personality. In this article, we delve into how to coordinate diamond earrings, necklaces, rings, and bracelets with women's fashion trends for 2025, offering practical tips to craft a seamless and stunning look. 1. Core principles of pairing diamond jewelry. Before exploring specific combinations, let's outline the essential guidelines for styling diamond jewelry. Balancing brilliance. Diamonds, with their radiant sparkle, naturally draw attention. Avoid overwhelming the look with excessively ornate jewelry. Harmony with color and style. Diamonds complement neutral tones, white, black, gray, and vibrant shades, red, emerald, sapphire. The outfit style, whether formal, casual, or maximalist, guides the choice of jewelry. Occasion-specific choices. For formal events, opt for classic, refined designs. For daily wear, modern or bold pieces work well. Minimalism for impact. If your outfit is detailed, select understated jewelry. For simpler outfits, bolder pieces can shine. Don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments on our Gemstone Academy YouTube channel. 2. Women's fashion trends in 2025. According to the latest fashion insights, WGSN and Vogue 2025, women's trends this year blend sleek minimalism, exuberant maximalism, and reimagined classics with a modern edge. Below, we explore these trends and how to pair diamond jewelry with them. A. Monochrome and minimalist outfits. Trend description: single-color suits, for example, ivory white or black. Streamlined dresses with clean cuts and midi skirts with simple silhouettes are top trends. These are ideal for professional settings or formal occasions. Diamond jewelry pairing. Earrings. Diamond stud earrings with a single small stone or petite hoop earrings encrusted with tiny diamonds. These maintain a sleek, professional aesthetic. Necklace. A delicate necklace with a single diamond pendant or a fine chain with scattered diamond accents, ensuring the outfit remains the focus. Ring. A solitaire diamond ring or minimalist rings with geometric patterns. Bracelet. A slender bangle or chain bracelet with subtle diamond embellishments that glisten on the wrist. Tip: choose white gold or rose gold jewelry to harmonize with neutral tones. For black outfits, yellow gold adds a luxurious contrast. Example: look, a tailored white suit paired with diamond stud earrings, a single diamond necklace, and a minimalist diamond ring. A small clutch and black pointed toe heels complete the ensemble. B. Maximalist outfits with bold designs. Trend description: dresses in glossy satin or metallic fabrics, large-scale floral prints, or neon hues, for example, hot pink, lime green, define this bold trend. Perfect for parties or standout events. Diamond jewelry pairing. Earrings. Chandelier earrings with prominent diamonds, or drop earrings with multi-tiered designs to capture attention. Necklace. A diamond choker or a long necklace with a bold diamond pendant as a statement piece. Ring. Cocktail rings featuring large diamonds with intricate designs. Bracelet. Wide bracelets with faceted diamonds or layered bracelets combining diamonds with metal. Tip: jewelry should match the outfit's vibrancy but avoid clashing. For example, pair bold chandelier earrings with a simpler necklace to maintain balance. Example look: an emerald green satin maxi dress with chandelier diamond earrings, a cocktail ring, and a delicate gold bracelet. A metallic clutch and silver heels finalize the look. C. Luxe casual style, smart casual, trend description. High-waisted or baggy jeans paired with silk blouses, oversized jackets, or short dresses in soft fabrics. Ideal for casual gatherings or informal events. Diamond jewelry. Pairing. Earrings. Small diamond hoop earrings or stud earrings with modern shapes, for example, stars or hearts. Necklace. Layered necklaces with petite diamonds or personalized pendants. Ring. Stackable rings with fine diamond bands arranged together. Bracelet. Chain bracelets with diamond charms or woven designs with diamond accents. Tip: jewelry should be subtle and contemporary to blend comfort with elegance. Example: look, Light blue straight-leg jeans with a white silk blouse, layered diamond necklaces, and a chain bracelet. White loafers or sneakers round out the outfit. D. Evening and formal wear trend. Description: floor-length dresses with dramatic cuts, open necklines, or velvet and sequined fabrics dominate evening wear. Perfect for weddings, galas, or formal celebrations. Diamond jewelry pairing, earrings. Drop or long chandelier earrings with sparkling diamonds to enhance open necklines. Necklace. Statement necklaces with rows of diamonds or large pendants to serve as a focal point. Ring. Solitaire rings or designs with princess or emerald-cut diamonds. Bracelet. Tennis bracelets with a continuous row of diamonds or wide bracelets with timeless designs. Tip: for dresses with closed necklines or heavy embellishments, skip the necklace and emphasize earrings and bracelets. Example: look. A black floor-length dress with an open neckline paired with diamond drop earrings, a choker necklace, and a solitaire ring. A gold clutch and heels elevate the style. 3. Additional tips for pairing diamond jewelry. Mixing metals. In 2025, combining yellow gold, white gold, and rose gold is fashionable, but prioritize one metal for a unified look. Scale and proportion. Use larger jewelry with simple outfits and more delicate pieces with ornate clothing. Skin tone and diamonds. Diamonds suit all skin tones, but different cuts, for example, round brilliant or princess, create distinct sparkle effects. Personalization, custom engraved diamond jewelry, for example, initials, or unique designs add a personal touch. Care and maintenance. Regularly clean diamonds to preserve their brilliance and avoid exposure to chemicals or perfumes. 4. Complete style example. Scenario: a semi-formal party outfit. A ruby red velvet midi dress with puffed sleeves, a 2025 trend. Jewelry, earrings, diamond drop earrings with small stones in white gold. Necklace, a delicate necklace with a heart-shaped diamond pendant. Ring, 2 stackable diamond rings and 1 solitaire ring. Bracelet, a tennis bracelet with small diamonds. Accessories, a metallic clutch and silver heels. Result: this combination balances the deep velvet hue with the sparkle of diamonds, creating a luxurious and modern appearance. 5. Conclusion. Pairing diamond jewelry with trendy women's outfits is an art that hinges on balance, detail, and context. In 2025, with trends spanning minimalism to maximalism, diamonds can be the centerpiece of your style. Whether attending a formal event or a casual gathering, carefully chosen diamond earrings, necklaces, rings, and bracelets can create a breathtaking and timeless look. Your confidence is the ultimate accessory, amplifying the radiance of your diamonds. Don't forget to subscribe and drop your comments on our Gemstone Academy YouTube channel.